So for our last example, you should have found out that there is a GCF here, and also you can use trinomial. And maybe you tried trinomial straight out the gate. The only thing you have to be cautious of is they all have the variable p, so we would need to take that out before trinomial would work. So the GCF is 3p. We're left with 6p squared minus 7p minus 20. When you build your x games, we've got negative 120 on the top. Again, we ignore the GCF at this point. We just keep bringing it down to our final answer. And negative 7 on the bottom. This is a tricky one. I had to do a couple rounds of checking to find the two numbers here, but negative 15 and positive 8 will make it happen. So we'll rewrite this as 6p squared minus 15p plus 8p minus 20. And again, notice that this GCF is still hanging out in front. I'm going to bring it down again. Don't forget about it. And now we're going to group. So in our first set, the GCF is going to be 3p. So we're left with 2p minus 5. And that's what I should be looking to happen in the second set. In this case, the GCF is going to be 4. And we'll be left with 2p minus 5, just like we expected. And finally, our GCF still is 3p. We got 2p minus 5 as the common factor, and the other one is the two GCFs put together, 3p plus 4. And if you wanted to, I'm kind of running out of room, but I'll try. Volume would have a length, a width, and a height. So really, again, it doesn't matter which, but maybe I call the length 3p, call the width 2p minus 5, and call the height 3p plus 4 for each of our dimensions, aka each of the factors. At this point, you can continue on with your calendar. It looks like you should be jumping into the IXL. Good luck.